Damn, man, my video stopped. I gotta crank the AC up, bro. I gotta crank the AC up. It said my camera got too hot. So I'm gonna crank the AC up. I feel like that's gonna fuck up the picture. Oh shit. Man, that was dangerous as fuck. Oh fuck. But nah, I feel like that's gonna fuck up the picture, so I'm gonna leave that alone. But the AC, I got it set on 4. I could barely hear it, so I mean, y'all really shouldn't be able to hear it. But if you can, you can. If you can't, cool. But yeah, man. I love driving this car, boy, I tell you. Like, there's a reason I picked this here for my daily driver, bro. It's real simple, man. Like, not playing. Nah, this car is fun to drive and all that good stuff, but really, I mean, it's nothing wrong with a Toyota Camry. Like, I still got my Toyota Camry, but I daily drive this here. The Camry getting rented out on Turo. This lady took my car all the way to Maine, bro. So I ain't got no content for y'all in that regard. But it's all cool, cause I mean, the car gonna do what it's do. It's cash flow, whatever. But yo, how y'all day been, man? Y'all comment down below. Let me know how y'all day been. What y'all been getting into? What y'all on? What's been going on, man? Let me know what's up. I'm trying to interact with y'all. Like, I mean, y'all be interacting with me in the videos. Like, sometimes people be commenting on my videos. I know somebody had commented a couple videos ago. They were like, damn, man, like, let us see that footwork. Man, on my word, here go the footwork. Nah, I'm playing. But nah, seriously though, like, people want to see the footwork. If you got a special request, bro, you ask and you shall be granted. We got us a fellow GT right there. What's good with you, bro? Decent little GT, some Schlite. No, I'm playing. But yeah, man, it's been a smooth day, smooth little Monday. Y'all got Quick Trip where y'all at? We got Quick Trip. But yeah, I really don't like just sitting in traffic like this here, man. Like, I might have to cut this part of the video out. We gonna see, but love this car. Would I ever go Hellcat though? That's the question. Would I ever go Hellcat? I may title the video that right there. May title that the video. Would I go Hellcat? Or what's it like daily driving a Charger RT? Would I go Hellcat? I mean, you could. That was a damn undercover over there. If y'all seen that black SUV, look like he pulled in to get some gas though, so we chilling. Not playing. Really, bro, as long as you're not driving like a maniac, you really ain't got nothing to worry about. Like, I understand being worried, whatever, but as long as you ain't driving like a fucking maniac, 9 times out of 10, boy, you good. But you know, but yeah, Cruising USA. Nah, man, y'all know, y'all don't, I promise you, nobody that's watching this video here know anything about a game called Cruising USA. Like, y'all might want to comment, say, yeah, I know what Cruising USA is. You don't know what Cruising USA is, bro. You don't. I'm telling you right now, you do not know what Cruising USA is. Like, You don't know what cruise not playing. It's an old ass video game. It was like a racing game. You got cars and shit on there. It was a tough little game. I fuck with it. Fucks with it. But damn, is that my old bitch? Hell, what, that my old bitch? She kinda look like my old bitch. Nah, I'm playing. Get your ass over it. See if we get a downshift. Even though I'm going slow as hell already. There we go. I mean, there's so much fun you can have with this car, bro. And this car fucking tank, dog. That's really why I whipped this whole, cause this whole a tank. This whole big. It got that weight to it. It got that girth to it. Pause. But nah. It's a hell of a car. Hell of a car, bro. What was your snap count in college, son? Nah, I'm playing. If you fuck with football, you know what the fuck I'm talking about. It be motherfuckers really out here not watching no type of sports. Nah, I'm playing. If you don't watch sports, bro, there's really nothing wrong with it. There ain't nothing wrong with you. You really not missing out on like nothing crazy, or I mean, I don't know about nothing crazy, because I mean, I love sports. I've been playing sports my whole fucking life. Everybody in my family been playing sports. We all athletes, you know. Kids gonna play sports. The fuck are you talking about? But honestly, bro, more importantly than sports, your academics, son. You always gotta take that's what I tell anybody. Like, I mean, cause I mean, shit, the day came for me. Like, I never signed no Supermax contract extension. So it's like, it's one of those, you know, your education will take you further than the ball could take you. And I mean, really, I say that for a lot of people, bro. Say it for a lot of people. Your education will take you a lot further than that basketball will, that baseball will, that damn tennis ball, soccer ball, football, whatever the hell ball it is. At the end of the day, bro, you need to be educated. I'm gonna hop on and fight this traffic real quick. We're gonna see what they talking about up here. I'm about to hit him with the Nah, I'm playing. Speed limit 70, but we going 40. Come on, man. Who gonna be courteous and let me over? Or y'all seriously can't drive, folks? That's what we doing up here, man? What are you doing? Drive, brother. Get your ass up there. Cause I can't cross until I cross this white line right here. I can't cross. Now I can. Like, y'all niggas just goofy. Fuck out the way. Motherfuckers cannot drive, bro. God, I'm gonna have to make that the beginning of the video type shit. Y'all, bro, the speed limit again is 70 miles per hour, and y'all playing around. I'm going 4 miles over the speed limit. Get into my exit. Fuck is y'all talking about? The fuck? Like, that's why it's so, like, y'all driving 65, 55, 50 miles per hour, bro. When y'all got the free reign to go 70, boy, motherfuckers do not want to be going 70. But then shit, as soon as you know, as soon as you supposed to go 70, or nah, when it's the time to not go 70, that's when motherfuckers be trying to hit their top speeds and shit. Motherfuckers be maxing out. But yeah, man, it's been a pleasure recording this video. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, boy. It's like just something. It's like something just happened to me when I throw this fucking headband on, and then I attach that fucking GoPro to that bit. It's like that shit link up with my damn blood cells and shit. Fuck. Like, what are you doing, bro? You're not even using a turn signal. Like, bro, you're not using the turn signal. Now you got your signal on, but guess what, buddy? I can't scoot up no more, bro. You better not hit my shit. If you squeeze through there, you can, bro. But like, the fuck is you looking at, bro? Oh my gosh, bro. Like, bro. Okay. Like, dog, it's not my fault you did not use your turn signal to get in the turn lane like I did whenever I'm getting in the turn lane. It's not my fault, brother. It's not my fault. But I mean, I don't even know, man. Nah, I'm playing. Honestly, I ain't gonna cap, bro. Like, yes, I kind of did cut him off. Nah, I didn't even cut him off. Like, really, he should have used his turn signal. If he used his turn signal, you want to know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make sure that I stay in my turn lane if he uses his turn signal. Like this fella right here did. Use his turn signal. Now he's in front of me. High IQ play. I'm already hitting the brakes. Now my brother's over. It's simple as that, man. Simple as that. But I don't know. Motherfuckers they be having agendas and shit. Motherfuckers be out here trying to get paid and shit. Motherfuckers be trying to stage accidents and shit. Like, if bro would've hit my shit, boy, I would've have to hop out this bit. It would have been a pretty sight, bro. Like, y'all ever seen a fucking pit bull fight a chihuahua? Me either, but I'm sure it ain't pretty. Nah, play. That's what Pop said in Friday at the Next. Like, come on, folks. I hope this shit's still recording. Yeah, we straight. We straight. But yeah, that's really it for this video, man. Really ain't too much left to talk about. I mean, I done told y'all how it feel to drive the RT, what it's like daily driving it. I done told y'all about the damn fucking road ragers that you gonna run into. Y'all seen homeboy back there throwing a fit. Yeah, I mean, there really ain't too much left to show y'all. But again, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hopefully y'all enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making this video for y'all. Y'all better come back and watch more videos. If you're still watching it at this point and you not subscribed to my channel and you haven't liked the video, I don't know what the hell you doing, but get it together, man. You hear that downshift? That shit crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'm gone.